In this video, I'm going to share with you another of our very strong ideas behind 2,500 breakout strategies, robust, high-quality breakout strategies that we have built in our hedge fund. As I said many times, I believe that creating good, robust, high-quality strategies is actually not complicated. We built on all the future indexes you can just think of, and we have more strategies that we could ever use. And we really follow pretty simple principles to build these strategies. Okay, so one of the principles that we use, and this is a very original and unique principle I've never ever heard anyone to talk about, and this one I figured out based on my long-term experience with discretionary trading in the past, is based on the idea of round numbers. So people really love round numbers. When people talk about numbers, they always round everything up or down, and in general, rounding numbers is in our human nature. We never say, like 27 days, we say in about 30 days, or we just have the tendency to round up or down anything. And this is reflected in some markets. Some markets, if you have a look on charts, they really move from round number to another round number, and they create strong supports and resistance on round numbers like 1560, 1570, 1580. You can really track very easily very strong support and resistance levels on rounded numbers. This one comes from E-mini Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is one of the examples where really round numbers work very, very well. So we developed a concept on round numbers, and I'm going to share with you this strategy. This is a model strategy. If you want a real actual strategy with complete code and walkthrough from our hedge fund, please click the link below and you can download it for free. Otherwise, this is how we how we approach round numbers in general in our hedge fund. As I said, this works on some markets, especially these where round numbers are a strong magnet. So you basically take yesterday's close and you just round it. And then once you round it, you calculate the breakout level by rounding like this. Okay, so it's all about rounding. You really need to round the last known value, either yesterday's close like here or today's open, and then you need to add additional rounded number to create a breakout level. So you can take the next rounded number above or below to create a breakout level, which you create like this. Okay. Now you can also offset the rounded number a little bit. So you can take the breakout on the rounded number plus or minus some value in absolute values. For example, 5. It's usually a good practice to offset the number a little bit because supports and resistance, they're not precise, they have some fluctuation, so you mitigate this fluctuation by adding some extra offset. And then all you need to is just some robust filters. So I talked many times about ADX. Please watch other strategies on the channel. This is one of the conditions we use very often. We calibrated ADX properly, or indexes, one of my favorite. Then also one of very strong conditions on indexes is that yesterday's close must be lower than yesterday's open. So if we have a down day on the previous day, there is a significant probability that the next day will be an update. You don't need to optimize this condition, so you avoid overfitting, and then you need also some confirmation of a trend being already established. RSI is a pretty good condition. It's just you use a simple condition like this, that RSI needs to be above 50. Thus we have some established uptrend already. So we only want to take the breakout on rounded number on an established uptrend. Now, what we also like to do, we like to limit entries by time. So, for example, this strategy only enters in the morning, so we still have plenty of time for the trade to develop, because this is a day trading strategy which exits on the close of the day. This is for regular trading hours of RTY symbol, okay? Not the 24 hours, but this is for regular trading hours. So we want to get in the morning, so there's enough time to develop for the trade and make us some money. So very, very simple. Again, we built thousands of strategies like this. We use the simple framework from the breakoutTradingRevolution.com book. As I said, creating good strategies is not really complicated, and the results looks like this. Again, this is a model strategy. If you want an actual strategy with full walkthrough and code, click on the link below. It's completely for free. So I'll see you in the next one when I'll share another strategy with you.